Hey everyone, this is Michael Bodner with another Tesla Tunity, and today I'd like to cover 10 months of Model 3 service. This is part 2. If you missed part 1, you can go ahead and click on the link up above. It'll take you to part 1, walk you through why my car went in for service, and I've got my car back, so let me tell you what happened and how it all went down. All right, so I dropped off my car on a Thursday. You guys know what the issues were. I had an autopilot issue that popped up right on my way in for service and some damage from mobile service. So I dropped off my car on a Thursday morning. My service technician and I, we kind of winked and nodded at each other, said Happy New Year. We'll see you in January. The car's off to the body shop. So, you know, that was a fair expectation on my part that I wouldn't see my car until January. And especially, you know, holidays, some off time, maybe later staff. But they gave me a Model S loaner. The car had just over 300 miles on it. Interesting fact, it was an Enterprise car. It was not Tesla's own loaner car. So it looks like they have some kind of deal with Enterprise. Enterprise buys up some of their inventory cars and then basically rents them right back to Tesla. So pretty interesting setup. But brand new, basically Model S. Had the textile seats, which was my first time ever seeing them. If that's a glimpse into what the standard interior looks like on the future $35,000 Model 3, I'd give it 2 big thumbs up. The seats were really comfortable. I liked the fabric a lot. So for those of you curious, I do have a picture up on the screen so you can see what that interior looked like. But anyway, you're here to see what happened with my service. So let's go over it. Again, dropped off my car on a Thursday morning. By Thursday, late afternoon, toward the end of the day, get a text from my service advisor saying they got to the bottom of the autopilot issues. The system just needed a recalibration. So they took care of that and then immediately sent the car off to the body shop. And they had hopes that the car would be done by end of day Friday. So potentially as early as a Saturday pickup, getting me the car before New Year's. I was astonished that it could possibly come back that quickly heading into the body shop. And sure enough, the next day rolls around and my service advisor gives me a call. He says, hey, your car's ready. You can come pick it up, or if it's more convenient for you, we'll hang on to it until Saturday. He just asked for a heads up because they've got so many cars and not enough space to park them in. So they play the kind of the car shuffle. So fortunately, I was able to make it for Friday to grab my car. I was really excited to get it back and see everything, and gave them 30 minutes notice. They had the car, pulled it around, and it was a great experience. $0 out of pocket. Of course, all goodwill service on the repairs from the damage from mobile service. So let me go ahead and take you through exactly what they did. All right, so we'll go ahead and start with something I actually didn't mention in the video, and that's the steering wheel. Once the car was there, I kind of started going through a checklist of things I thought of that I didn't mention in the first video. And the steering wheel took on some damage from the mobile technician as well. He put a couple gouges in the steering wheel at the top and down here on the lower right-hand side. So I brought it up. I said to the service team, I almost don't want to say anything because, I've definitely put some marks on the steering wheel, but I'm pretty sure, not 100% sure, that the mobile service team did in fact cause some damage to the steering wheel. They said, not a problem, we'll take a look at it. And much to my surprise, I get my car back and it has a brand new steering wheel. The center part here with the horn and the airbag assembly is my original one. You can still see the shiny chrome emblem as a giveaway, but brand new steering wheel. Feels like the car is literally brand new. So I was really excited about that, and let's go ahead and hop outside of the car and I'll show you the rest. All right, so if you remember, my car took on some dents from the repair work here on the side marker camera. I've got a picture of it up on the screen so you could see them kind of side by side, but let me get in here, get you a better look at it. You could see the dents are gone. So perfect repair. I'm assuming it was a paintless dent removal, PDR as it's called, but that's fine by me. The panel looks great, no issues whatsoever. In addition to that, since I knew the car was going to the body shop, there's one other thing that I failed to mention, and that is some initial paint defect in the car, actually. So I'll put it up on the screen here so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. But essentially, this area right here looked like it was missing clear coat. So again, knowing the car was going to the body shop, I went ahead and pointed it out. They said not a problem. And again, perfect results. They went ahead and took care of it. Looks like they shot it with some clear, and it's a perfect match for the surrounding area. All right, so there you have it. That's 10 months of Tesla Model 3 service. I'm fairly confident that what we've dealt with here is the last of it. I think my car has officially stabilized. I think all of the issues are behind us, and that's it. It's just time to enjoy the Model 3, drive it away. If there's any other issues, of course, I'll bring them back to you all. Either way, I'll come back with an update and let you know, just to confirm, of course, show the confidence that things have stabilized. But again, I'll tell you either way. And that's it. I've got my car back. It's time to go ahead and drive it. So we'll catch you on the next one, everyone. Bye. If you like this video and you'd like to see more videos like it, please help my channel grow by clicking the subscribe button and commenting and liking my videos. In addition, if you're looking to buy a new Tesla, a Model S, Model 3, or Model X, you can get 6 months of free supercharging by using my referral code Michael34469. Just provide that code to your delivery specialist and they'll take care of everything. If you haven't ordered yet, you can click on the link in the description down below, and that'll apply the referral code to your order automatically.